Hey Levi, where are we?
Yeah.
We're in Greece?
Yeah.
Woohoo.
And my honu.
And you got your honu on your backpack? Let me see. Turn around. Oh, awesome. Hey. Why are you so grumpy? Is it because we're in Nomadz?
Wake me up, my eyes are heavy and I need some sun. One hit, I'm ready for whatever comes. Nothing can keep me from you. Nothing can keep me from you.
Wow, that's cool, right?
She heard on her.
Levi,
Levi,
what
do you
is this?
see?
I see her up her head and the jack I need for it.
Wow, this is somehow dino store stuff still. Can you believe it? Hey Levi, what country are we in? We are in Greece. Cool.
That you chose to ask, will it be better where we're going? And though the answer I don't know for fact, still my heart is saying, oh yeah.
Still just taking it one day at a time. Still don't know what I'm trying to find. Really I don't mind, cause I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. Yeah.
Cool. Here's a view from our apartment. Tiny, 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 tiny. And now you're gonna jump rope. Go. Yeah, squats. 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 Fast feet, fast feet. And jump rope. Yes, jump, Levi, jump. Yes. What are we doing?
I going on a boat ride.
Okay, show me. Walk this way. This is pretty. Nava's grumpy. We're in the taxi in Kéa, going to our house in the islands.
Similar to the thriller in Manila. Honeys call me bigger.
When I was a young boy, my mama said to me, there's only one girl in the world for you, and she's probably in Tahiti. Maybe she's in the Bahamas, where the Caribbean Sea is blue, weeping in a tropical moonlight night, 'cause nobody told her about you. I'd go the whole wide world, I'd go the whole wide world just to find her. I'd go the whole wide world, I'd go the whole wide world to find out where they hide her. Why am I hanging around
Nava girl. Hey,
Hey,
Nava girl. Hey.
Hey, bunny hop.
Okay, say bye-bye, mama.
Bye, Nava. Love you.
Bye, Levi, I love you.
Dad, Mom, Nava.
have in your hand?
I got Dory.
Who gave you that present?
Petro.
What do you say to Petro?
Thank you, Petro. Bye-bye.
Say see ya again sometime.
See you again sometime.
Say visit me in Dubai.
You visit me in Dubai.
Frank the Tank. Frank the Tank.
Yeah.
You want to have him climb on your dino?
No, yeah.
Thank you very much.
You want him to get your menu?
No, he wants to get my dinosaur. Hey!
He likes your dino.
Are you okay?
Oh my gosh.
Trying to fight in Carlosaurus. You can come back on the T-Rex. It's okay.
I've never seen.
Frank the Tank.
Frank the Tank.
Yeah.